Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the price chart of Dutch Bros INC. Now a recent listing with a limited price action, but the volatility is very sharp over here, right? And we have seen a sharp upside followed by a sharp downside which is going on. So let's see what we can see or what we can do as far as the price chart or price trend or the range is concerned. So let's start over here. Now primarily there are two or three most important level that you're going to look at. So the first will be your immediate support at 46.53, right? This is your first or immediate support we have here. Now there is one more support which you may call it as your very big support, right? And this one, right? So the very big support you have here is in between 43.15 and 41.49. So this is what we have as far as your very big support is concerned, and immediately you can look for 46.53. But there is one more which you may want to look at. So what we have here is 47.95 or 48. So this is your next or immediate target or next resistance, but this is also a very important level. Now what are the couple of things that you need to know right now? Right now, if the level holds, first if 46.353 holds and then the stock moves above 48, so if these two conditions get met, then we will have further upside move. This is the first thing. Secondly, if this is not going to hold or if the stock falls below 46.53, the next we have here is your big support in between 41.49 and 43.15. So this is your big support as well as your stop loss. So at this level there can only be one thing, turnaround. So if a turnaround happens in between or from for 41.49 or 43.15, that's fine. Else we are not going to hold any position below 41.49, right? This must be very much clear. And even so we don't know, currently we don't know whether or whenever a move started will start, whether it will from 46.5 or 41.49, that we don't know. But what we do know here is the stock must sustain and cross $48 for any upside move. So the current conditions must be clear in front of you, so that in upside you are anyhow going to enjoy the move, but in downside you should know what you need to do. Now after the upside, so if the stock sustains above $48, we have two or three simple things to do. So after $48, we will have our first target at 62.33. Then we have our second or third target. This is the second target at 69.9, and the third target $81, and $81 is going to be our third target. So these are your three levels that you are going to look at. And if there is any swing which we are looking here, if there is any swing, in that case it may extend. So if there is any swing beyond 80.78, then the target that we are going to look at So it will be or in between 99 and 109. So these are your two big targets or swing target if things works out and if the stock makes a breakout beyond 80 $81. But that's a thing for the later part of the story. Currently we have to see the lower end of the ranges, and if it sustains and once the move started, then we are going to look at the upper end of the range. But in any case, don't go below 41.49 on the downside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.